I am talking about most important and fundamental data structure called sets. So first you use headphones for better quality of audio, and then the today code section is look like this. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. So friends, first we see the definition of set. So a set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Sets are iterable and mutable, but unlike lists, they do not have indexings. And how to create a set with the uses of curly brackets. So don't focus on it now. We are going to the IDE and then see what is the behavior of set. So friends, I create first set with the help of curly braces. So I just create my set one with the help of curly braces. So what do you think, it is created or not? If I am trying to print my set one, so they give me curly braces, so you think it's a set, but by default Python may it's set कि this curly braces are different dictionary, not a set. So I'm just checking कि what's a type of my set one. So I get dict, it's a dictionary. So how to create an empty set? So we can create empty set with the help of type conversion, like what s is a variable, and with the help of type conversion set I just create a set like this. And when I am taking see the type of my s, so I create a set. So friends, this is the way to creating a empty sets in Python. And we can also create homogeneous set like this: 1 2 3 4 5. It's my homogeneous set. And I also create heterogeneous set. And I print this, it's my homogeneous set. I also create heterogeneous set like 1 2 3, and any bool value on it, this, it is my heterogeneous set. So anyone guesses ki why in this, if I am trying to print 1 2 3.2 and 3 and then true, so why there is 1 3 is gone? Now there is 2 3, but when I'm trying to printing, so only 1 3 is print because of this key. Sets do not allow duplicates. Sets not allow duplicates. So friends, duplicates, okay. So friends, sets में duplicate नहीं होती. And the one more thing you notice on this, कि 1 then 2 then 3 and 3.2.3 and then true. So where is my true is gone? So as the bool value representation, 1 is actually is a true because 0 is false and 1 is true. That's why this true is um, disappear from this list. And this list is output is not a indexing order. Different types of elements are output very randomly. Because of what? Because of some rules of set. Now I just give you a rule. Sets have no indexing. What I am trying to say, I also code and trying to understand you keep sets have no indexing. Now I just prove this. If I'm trying to print my s1, and in list we are get the element with the help of indexing. Like if I want to print my l l2, so I get 3. But when I'm trying to this in my s1, so I get error because there is no object. So I think you understand and there is no slicing also. So in list, if I am trying to print like this, 1 and 1 and 2, so I get 2. But when I'm trying to print in set, so I get an error because there is no slicing in set, like 1, yes, 2. So I get an error. So I hope you understand there is no editing in set. And sets are mutable data type. Sets are mutable data type. Sets are mutable data type. So we can easily add something on it. Like how? So I just use if I want to, first I print my as well. If I want to add something on it, I just use the add function and add anything on it like this. If I print my S1, so look, this 6 is add on my set. So we are added very easily with the help of add function. And then we see how to use del and remove. So with the help of del function, I easily delete my S1, delete S1. So there is S1 is not defined because it's completely delete on my with the help of del function. So I use remove. First I create a new set for me like this, 1 2 3 34. Okay, no matter, 5 6 7. So if I use remove function like this, remove, no, not like this, S1 dot remove what I want to remove. If I want to remove something, so I just type here. If I want to remove this unordered collection like 34, so I just use remove function, and look, in my list there 34 is removed very easily. So the next one is this, if I'm trying some operation, so that's do very easily. Now if I use as one and just see that, if I want union is a function like what, wait a minute, intersection object union. Okay, union is a union, and I want to create some more set because of using this function, so I not use this function right now. So you see how to create a set, like empty set it create with the help of type conversion. And in this video you see two rules of this, sets do not allow duplicates and sets do not have a indexings. Now I'll give you one more example about the set. Now if you try something like this, now pro and procoder G, and then you give some any number and any type of float, and when you try to print, so what you guess everyone, now this is 7 is in the second indexing, and when I try to print, so it comes on a last. So this is because of hashing. This is because of hashing technique. So when we read about something DSA and so many more things, so we understand this is the process of hashing to arranging the data for accessing very quickly. So sets have no indexing, but sets are based on hashing process techniques. So I hope you understand what's the behavior of set. And the one more thing, we can use any function on it, like if I want to use max function, max as one. Okay, I use float and string on it. Okay, there is float and string, so there is no max. Okay, so I create one more, as one is equal to, now again, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 56 6 7. If I use my max function on it, I just write as one, and what I get, maximum number is 7. I use minimum function also like this, what's output is 1. So friends, operational look like this. We can also try to loop in it like uh, for I n as one, print as one for me. So for I in S1, print S1 for me, direct S1 print करा है, that's why the output is this, like है ना. If I'm just put यहाँ पे print I, no, I start with again because it's a one cell ID for I in S1, and then I print I, so I get, then I print I, so I get 1 2 to 7, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I hope guys everyone ki how to use loop in set and maximum minimum function, strings, behavior of hashing, remove function, del function, how to create empty set, homo uh, homogeneous set and heterogeneous set. So सेट्स में इतना ही था एवरीवन एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट मूव टू अदर टॉपिक एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर friends that very needable for this video, and we are covering the next topic is dictionary, and then we are start our object oriented programming with Python language. Thanks for watching everyone.